give an apology to Ghana first of all, because I was thinking see, you know, when you have not traveled out, you will not know anything. Now you guys are where you are. I believe you have not come to Gambia before, we have not gone to Ghana, so I will be the one to tell you that, see, this is how it is, this is how it is. Ghana is better than here.
Hi everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. I really appreciate you for stopping by. If you are new here, my name is Lillian. To you, my returning viewers, thank you for coming back. I made this video last week. My energy was low, so I let it be. Today I'm back again with it, and I hope I post this. Please, I hope you've given this video a like. Before we get into the videos I want to display in this video, dear Ghana people, what did you do? I want to do it. Let me tell you the truth. Like, I'm always on the truth of your downlookers. God rewarded me also. Unfortunately, it is too deep. I cannot share. My enemies came on their news and confessed what they did to me years ago. Somebody shout hallelujah. So whoever did whatever in the land of Ghana, is not only Ghana as a country that is benefiting. Anyways, we will talk about that later in the video. Let's get into these videos, okay? While Jarvis was trending in Ghana, a South African singer, Tyler, was also enjoying her life in Ghana. Anyway, you know why this video is, right? This video is not because Jarvis is a big deal like that. This video is here because some months ago we were all on her throat for her disrespectful remarks, but today she's back and she had fun. I'm going to let those videos roll, all the videos I could find. I'll come back, then we'll continue. Don't go nowhere, and don't forget to like.
And thank you, Ghana, for welcoming me. See you all soon. Bye. Guess what? I was able to drive Benz in Ghana today.
Okay.
Yes, I found out that you guys have a lot of Benz. And you guys are very accommodating.
Okay.
Thank you. Any other question? Your energy is top notch. I never expected them to have so much energy like that. And they're so humble and they're so sweet and they treat me like a baby. I love them. Yes.
I saw you and I called him. I knew you'd be there with him.
I was thinking it was going to be impossible. I'm so happy to see you. Hey guys, we are for Nita in the comment section. Are we going to throw some stuff together?
I'm too many cameras off shy.
Real? You're shy. Christmas tree.
We pick anything.
It's Christmas. I wanted it.
Okay. Hey, what? Someone get her a basket.
What?
Just one basket.
Huh?
Let's go. Let's go.
Yes, give me a drive. Come on in, let's
go. Sister, Pacho, Beto, go.
Gobana. Gobana.
Mami alati Congo, mataki wara pao, kasepeke wara sito. Ọ̀rẹ́ mẹ́sì, rebo na, lọlé múra dárò. Kéèké ọmọba mako bẹ́ẹ̀ ó máa kó bẹ́ẹ̀ ní ìfura. ṣògbé mo lè jọ́ lẹ́gẹ́lẹ́gẹ́ tó ṣì yọ. Màmí aláti gbogbo mátàkì wàrà pa o kásẹ̀pẹ̀kẹ̀ wàrà sí tọ́. Ọ̀rẹ́ mẹ́sì rébò dá lọ́lé múra dárò. Kéèké mi kó kéèké mi kó. Ponya pedo kanya ka otona pa. So let me kaka. Ponya pedo kanya ka otona pa. Kuma se pede ka e ne maya. Se male pede ka e ne maya. Roya si bebe pa. Ode pa be. Si bebe pa. Ode pa be. Si bebe pa. Ode pa be.
You went on a family trip for 2 weeks in Africa. One of the places you went was Ghana, and I was on the phone with you, and I'm going to be there too.
Yes.
Very soon. Why? What was so special about Ghana? Because everyone's been inviting me to Ghana.
Well, you know what? There's something about going to West Africa as African Americans who have been disconnected from the continent, and going back, truly learning about our history and the expansiveness of our history, but learning the history from the lion's perspective and not the hunter's. The accurate history, and being able to reclaim your roots and to find out who you actually are. And for me, that was incredibly important. Turning 50, to figure out the kind of woman I want to be for the next 50 or 60 years. And I knew that I needed to be in Africa. Learning about who I am, connecting with my own people.
Ghana's the jumping off point. That's why.
But we got our names.
That's why.
So you got your name?
We got our names, yes.
There's a naming ceremony that you can participate in when you go.
What's your name? It was wonderful. Safwa. Yes, it means the key. My husband's name is Kwesi, which means protector of the family. And I forgot Comp's name.
Wow. That's so great.
So, Gabrielle, we love having you here.